I'm going to be showing you guys what product took my hair from this to this, and I'm so excited to do this entire review on the Babyliss Pro flat iron. I am so excited to get into this, y'all, because I was able to flat iron my entire head of thick, long, natural hair. And this flat iron, I have so much to say about it. So let's jump right into it, you guys. The information to this iron and different things I'll be using in this video will be down below in the description in the comment section if you guys are interested. And if you like reviews like this, make sure you join my Facebook group at Cashapp Repeat. All right, y'all. So like I said, we're going to be trying out the Babyliss Pro flat iron. I'm going to have this exact one linked down below because they do have other type of hair tools. But this is the one we're going to be trying today. I believe this is the nano titanium, if I'm not mistaken. So I am going to split my hair into several sections. I have it sectioned into 4 sections, and then I took each smaller section of each section, split it in half, and I'm using the comb method. So I'm going to be combing through this piece of hair first and following behind it with the flat iron. So this was my tester piece, you guys. Here's how it looked. And after I ran through it, after the comb, I went through it and did one more pass. So I'm doing 2 passes on most of these, and if necessary, 3. So far, so good, you guys. I'm going to go ahead and give you the pros and cons of this flat iron and tell you a little bit about my experience. And y'all can see now I was so scared I was going to burn myself. So y'all may see my face looking a little strange, but let's just get into the pros and cons. So the first pro of this flat iron is that you can see the exact temperature on it, which I really, really like. I love when a hot tool has the exact temperature, so you don't really have to like guess. You can see exactly how hot your tool is going to be. The next thing I like about it is that you guys, with my hair texture, it doesn't always take and hold with every hair tool, and that is why I felt like this in general was worth the investment for me, because I heard good things about it, and the fact that it actually does flat iron my hair to the point where it is flat, that makes it worth it to me, because I don't get that experience with every flat iron, y'all. So here's the first section. Before we continue with the pros and cons, you guys can see this is how I flat ironed my hair. Most of the sections I did with 2 passes. And also, y'all, I am due for a trim, so that's why my ends are kind of looking like that. And I did kind of bend the ends a little bit because I knew that my ends were due for a trim. So back to the pros and cons, you guys. I do like that this tool does get pretty hot, but it doesn't, to me, it doesn't give a ton of smoke. It didn't make the room super duper smoky. And I understand, you know, hair tools, sometimes that just happens because they are on higher temperatures, but I really like that about this one. Another pro is that this flat iron just gives quality. It feels quality. To me, it works in a way that gives quality, and to me, it's definitely worth it. So now we're getting into the second section, which is in the back of my head. And I really feel like splitting this into 4 sections, especially the back, splitting it in half, made it so much easier for me to be able to flat iron it. I also do want to note that before I flat ironed this, I did go through and just put a hot comb to the roots, because I don't want to have to get super duper close when it comes to a flat iron, especially one that's really hot, in order to make my roots lay flat. So I just went in with a hot comb first so that I wouldn't even have to worry about that. And then to do the rest of the hair, I'm using the flat iron. So this is half of the hair done, you guys. I feel like the flat iron is doing an amazing job. And yeah, this is a comparison of my hair after flat ironing it with the Babyliss flat iron, and then my hair on the other side that's just blown out, and I did do the roots with a hot comb. For this hot tool, you guys, I don't necessarily have a con. I think that is really quality, and I'm really happy with this product. I definitely prefer it when doing a flat iron on my hair at home currently. And yeah, you guys, I had to share it with y'all because I think that it just really made it so helpful for me to be able to do this at home. It got my hair flat. This is how this flat iron did with my natural hair. I'm definitely pleased with it. Again, the information is down below. Give this video a thumbs up if this review was helpful, and comment down below what you think about this product. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video very, very soon. Bye, guys.